Hello everyone. Today we will see how to mint your wallet address with your Web3 digital identity at Endless Domains. First of all, click on the drop down, then go to My Domains page. Inside this page, you will find Web3 identities which you have purchased earlier. Now just select any one which you want to manage. Like I'm selecting creativecoder.og. Just click on Manage button. As you can see, I have already minted multiple wallet addresses with my digital identity. Now I will let you know how to add one. Just click on Add Currency and select the currency name. I'm selecting TRX. Just add your wallet address and click on Save Changes. Now just confirm the transaction, and after the confirmation, your wallet address will be minted with your identity. As you can see, my transaction is confirmed. Now, how to check that your wallet address has already minted with your domain? So for that, you have to go to any Web3 wallet which support Tron network. Like I'm selecting Trust Wallet. Now just select Tron network and just paste here your Web3 digital identity name. And as you can see, your destination address is what you have minted at Endless Domains. Now just pay any amount which one you want. Now as you can see, your wallet address is minted. Thank you.